Dental crowns are an extremely popular treatment option to restore dental decay or damage. They offer both aesthetic as well as beneficial advantages. The cost for dental crowns will vary according to the place you visit to receive the procedure. The video below will look at the costs of dental crowns across Europe as well as Turkey for you to make an educated choices about the best place to have this procedure performed. Europe is well known for high-end dental treatment, however, this often has a steep price. Costs for the cost of a dental crown in European countries, including that of UK, Germany, France, and Italy, may be anywhere between €500 up to €1,000 or even more. This is a substantial expense for anyone who wants to boost their smile without spending a fortune. In contrast, Turkey has emerged as one of the most sought-after destinations in dental tourism owing to the affordable costs and quality treatment. The price of an implant in Turkey is as low as €200 or €400 based on the dental clinic and the material used. The price is less than costs compared with Europe and makes Turkey an attractive choice when you want to reduce the cost of dentistry. One of the major factors behind the differences in price among Europe in comparison to Turkey is the cheaper price of living and the labor in Turkey. It allows dentists to give competitive rates, but without sacrificing the quality of service. Furthermore, Turkey has invested heavily in the field of dental tourism, which is drawing people from around the world, thanks to its advanced infrastructure and skilled dentists. Concerning the high quality of dental crowns, the two countries of Europe as well as Turkey utilize similar materials including ceramic, porcelain, and alloys of metal. But certain patients prefer having their crowns made in Europe to ensure their comfort and security of top quality. You must do the necessary research before choosing the most reputable and experienced clinic. Dentists, regardless of whether to receive your crown either in Europe and/or Turkey. A different aspect to think about in comparing prices for dental crowns are the costs associated to travel and lodging. Even though getting a dental crown in Turkey could be more affordable, however, it is important to consider the expense of hotel rooms, flights, and transport. In contrast, getting your crown in Europe might be more suitable to those who live close. However, it is higher in cost, especially when it comes to treatments costs. The final conclusion is that comparing dental crown costs for Europe as well as Turkey could help you make an informed choice that is based on financial budget and personal preferences. Even though Europe is famous for the high quality of its dental treatment, Turkey offers affordable prices with the same high quality. It's crucial to do your homework, find advice, and then choose the most reputable dental practice for your dental crown treatment, no matter if you opt to have it completed within Europe and/or Turkey. Be aware that the health of your mouth is crucial. Don't let expense deter you from obtaining the dental treatment you need. Consult your dentist about your options and think about every aspect before you make an informed choice. The smile you have is something worthwhile to invest in, regardless of the location that you select for your crown done. Commit and a vacation in Turkey to take delight in the beauty and sound of this captivating and varied nation. From exploring ancient ruins to bustling markets to relaxing on the pristine shores and indulge on the delicious Turkish dishes, there's an abundance of things to see or do in Turkey. Final thoughts. In the end, Turkey has firmly established it as an innovator in the area of dental tourism thanks to its affordable treatment options, as well as high-quality dental treatment accessibility, travel ease, and access to tourism and opportunities for. No matter if you're seeking regular dentistry, advanced procedures, or cosmetic dental, Turkey offers a level of service that's comparable to the standard of several Western countries for only a fraction of the price. If you're considering treating your dental needs overseas, Turkey is definitely a place worth looking into. The question is, why not now? Take your suitcases, reserve your tickets, let Turkey be the guide on your dental tourism adventure.